Fast-growing shade-loving shrubs. If you need a fast-growing shrub for privacy or sound-dampening purposes and must plant it in a shaded area, you may choose from a large variety of shrubs that will grow quickly and thrive in shady spots. Chinese Eleagnus. Chinese Eleagnus reaches 15 feet in height, and will grow well in sun or shade. Ligustrum. Ligustrum is a quickly growing evergreen that will reach 15 feet in height, in sun or shaded areas. Oleander. Oleander grows very rapidly, reaching heights of 10 to 15 feet. It is an evergreen that flowers in spring. Pittosporum. Pittosporum, which likes nearly any type of light, is an evergreen that grows to between 10 and 12 feet high. It also reaches 12 to 15 feet in width, however, so it requires lots of room to spread out. Pyracantha. Pyracantha is known for its white spring flowers and bright red fall berries. An evergreen that will grow in shaded areas, it reaches 10 to 12 feet in height. Wax myrtle. Wax myrtle is an evergreen that grows to 12 to 15 feet in height and likes sun or shade.